Today, a demonstration will be done by our expert, a Queen Control girlfriend.
Ladies and gentlemen, today you will learn more on how to handle your Sharp Android TV remote control. Just like handling your boyfriend. First, you need your Sharp Android TV. My Sharp Android TV, not my boyfriend. Much better. Now, as you can see, your Sharp Android TV comes with a new smart remote control that will allow you to control everything you desire, all at your fingertips. First things first, the power button. You control the power button. Like any other boyfriend, remote, this darling can easily take you home every time you get lost and don't know where to go. Nice, right? As you can see, if you are annoyed at his voice, the TV's volume, you can lower it down or press mute. Easy, right? I know you ladies and gentlemen have done this many times at home, right? Oh wait, we are not done yet. You need to see the other special features of the Sharp Android TV Smart Remote Control. This special remote control takes you directly to Netflix and YouTube by clicking the designated button, even when the TV is on standby mode, here and here. Its cursor is also easy to click and allows you to type in your password or whatever you want to search, fast and hassle-free. And look, it has a microphone button too. This allows you to voice search anything you need to know.
Honey, did I forget to do anything you asked today?
No, honey. Just come home, please.
That was a demonstration on how to use Sharp's Android TV remote control unit, done by our expert, a Queen Control girlfriend. Sharp's Android TV. It's so easy, anyone can be an expert.